Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Neve and look what finally arrived today. A nondescript box! This is actually a Telfar bag, my first ever one, and I purchased it in the last bag security program. That was their fastest fulfillment ever, and also officially the last bag security program ever. So please join me for a Telfar small shopping bag unboxing. Yay! Now, I'm assuming if you're watching this, you are very familiar with Telfar and potentially also waiting for your own bag delivery. And if that is the case, you can skip to the unboxing at this time. After the unboxing, I'll talk some more about, delivery times, importing to the EU, the price in euros, what fits inside / my opinions. However, if you are not familiar with Telfar, it is a unisex line that was established in 2005 in NYC by Telfar Clemens. It's not for you, it's for everyone. And also, if you're curious about the bag security program that I mentioned, it is a limited time event where you can pre-order any color, size and quantity of our bags. Orders ship between 3 to 6 months after the date your order was placed. And now that you have all the basic information and knowledge, let's dive in to the unboxing. Tape. Who wants to look first? You or me? I'll let you go first. Ta-da! The dust bag and plastic bag. Let's take her out. Here it is. How do we match? Oh, this is actually a Ziploc bag, so you could reuse this if you need something quite large. Ziploc. The dust bag is so cute. It's a drawstring bag. Oh my gosh, it's so cute and tiny. Ah. I love it. I love the size. I'm just taking her all in. Oh, it's so cute. Here it is. So yes, this is the small white shopping bag and it's a true white. It's not cream or anything, it's definitely white. Which I know white might seem boring. I would say classic, a staple color, but I was missing a white bag for my collection, so I was having a look online for white bags, and it just so happened that the next bag security program was going to be, I think it was like a week or two away, so it was just a happy coincidence. So I thought, let me put the white bag search on hold. I'll wait. I'll pick up a Telfar bag, and as of right now, I am so glad that I did. And also, this is quote-unquote vegan leather, so it is just plastic faux leather. Let's pop this off. Let's take the paper off. I feel like I need to be so delicate with her. It's so just dinky. Okay, I feel like I need to put some stuff in it to kind of like shape it, as obviously it comes folded like this, so I feel like I need to pop it up, give it its shape. But look, oh my god, I know I keep saying oh my gosh, and it's so cute and I love it, but it's all so true. It has a tag on it. Obviously I'll take that off. The inside, it does just have one, can you see that little clipper? Is it magnetic? Yes. It's just one big inside pocket. There is the little, I feel like I'm showing this terribly, there is the little Telfar logo in there, which has a secret tiny pocket, maybe for like, wait, is it even a pocket anymore? Yeah, it is. It has one tiny sneaky pocket that you can maybe put like a mint in, something along those lines. Is that a scratch? Oh, don't worry, it was just on the plastic. There she is. Yeah, I definitely feel like she needs to be filled so she can get her shape, her true form. And the straps are just going crazy. I was just thinking to myself, and that tiny pocket might be good if for some reason you have a ring on or like earrings that you need to take off and you want them somewhere secure in the bag. You could definitely slip them in that tiny pocket, so it has uses. Now I'm just gonna go over some nitty-gritty details that you may be curious about, and then we'll go back to the bag and I'll do a what fits inside, because I am curious myself. So I have all the information in front of me, so sorry if my eyes keep darting down or up or any direction. So basically the bag security program was advertised to be running from the 16th to the 18th of June, and then bags wouldn't start shipping until the 26th of June and then up until the 31st of August. I placed my order as soon as the bag security program started, and I remember being on Twitter and Reddit because a lot of people weren't receiving confirmation emails, so we were kind of all a bit panicked. However, Telfire tweeted, if you didn't have it Monday, contact them and they'll look into it, blah blah blah. That's when the bag security program ran. I placed my order, and then I knew even the first batch of bags wouldn't be shipping until the 26th of June. So I was like, whatever, it's chill, it'll get here when it gets here. It wasn't until the 2nd of August that I received an email that my bag was on the way via DHL. I think it was like the 4th of August was when it said it had completed processing at origin, which I assume is when it left the USA. It then went to Paris, and then I'm pretty sure it was in Germany. And when I checked the tracking last night, which was the 14th of August, it said it was still in Germany. However, this morning it updated to say it had been delivered as of, I think it was like 8:47 a.m. So I received it on the 15th of August, and today is also, of course, the 15th of August. Of course, I had to open it the day I got it, obviously. For the price in dollars/euros, this, oh my god, you can't even see her. This was $150 and shipping was $40, which is $190 total, of course. Now, they do have an EU website which gives you free like continental EU shipping. However, the bag security program only ran on the US website, and it did say on the US website that the international shipping cost covers all taxes and duties. So you're not just paying $40 for it to be posted to you, it's to cover the imports and stuff as well. Oh, also the small shopping bags on the EU site, they're not in stock, but they are priced at $191, so it's the same price either way. Well, it was actually $1 cheaper to do the bag security program on the US website, but either way, $190, $191 works out the same. I paid with my Revolut account, and with the currency conversion it ended up being €174.09. And then yes, when it arrived I wasn't charged anything extra since it said they were already covered. And they were already covered, so there was no nasty surprises when it got here. And also, it didn't actually get delivered by DHL once it was in my country. It just came with the national postal system. Okay, for those curious what fits inside the small shopping bag, me too. So I've gathered a couple of items that I kind of would carry every time I use a bag. We have my purse, which is not actually a purse or a wallet, it's literally a card holder. But yes, card holder, hand sanitizer, keys, and lip balm. Oh, and also my phone, but I'm filming with it, so I have a phone case to give the illusion of my phone. So these will be the essentials that I need in the bag, and then I have some bonus items, which would be AirPods, my passport. I don't typically carry, but if it fits, that will be really handy for airport purposes. I think it will if I place it strategically, if I really needed it to. I have this bonus item, which was optimistic thinking. It's not gonna fit, but it was a sunglasses case and sunglasses. It's not gonna fit. And then one other thing, I like to have a tote bag and then fold it up, because you know, if I'm planning to buy anything or I need to carry extra stuff, I like to fold this up and put it inside, which this may fit. Okay, so now let's just literally drop everything into the bag. The passport, maybe not. The card holder, yes, perfect. The phone case, yes. I mean, to be honest, if you've got a tall or long phone, you might need to put that in diagonally. The hand sanitizer, the lip balm, and the keys, yeah, they all fit no problem. You can see there what I mean by the phone. It may need to go diagonal if it's quite long. I'm not sure that could go oh no, it could go, yeah, it can go straight. I was just being dramatic. And then there's actually quite a bit of space in there. For me, I definitely knew I wanted the small shopping bag because I love a mini bag. The biggest handbag I own is my Nano luggage tote, so I am just a mini bag girly. The sun is coming back out. Sorry, the lighting is changing. For me, I'm like, that's so much space. We could put so much more stuff in there. Okay, the passport can stand up, but it is sticking out a little bit. Oh, actually, yeah, the passport can fit. We can definitely add the AirPods. Honestly, shopping tote. Hold on, please hold. If it was really important for me to bring a tote bag on this particular day, I could. The bag won't be able to snap close, but with a tote bag on top, do you really need it to? So there she is, and kind of in a better shape now because she's full. But yeah, we put the tote bag and then all the other stuff. I don't know if because the phone case is empty, it's allowing more stuff to sit inside, but honestly, You can easily fit your essentials in there with space for some other small things. Another lip product, some chewing gum. What else do people carry? Maybe one of those mini perfume things. Yeah, I'm very happy with the space in here. This is perfect. I can't lie, white bags make me nervous. So we'll see how she holds up, and maybe after a couple months or whatever, I can do an update, because I feel like that would just be more informative as to the wear and tear, how she lasts, and it would give me a better opinion on whether it was worth the money or not. Also, if I didn't mention, which I did not, the straps are not adjustable or detachable. I know people are saying you can stuff them inside, but then you lose a lot of space in the bag. But to be honest, I normally carry bags on my shoulder or crossbody, so to me, it's not a problem. I think it would be nice to have the option, but I personally don't really mind that they don't come off. And now that I have my first Telfar bag, I can 100% understand the appeal of collecting these, because there are so many appealing colors on the website. I think I need to practice self-control and just stick with my white one for now. I think I'll add maybe some photos of the length try on perhaps. Okay besties, here she is sitting on bod crossbody. Obviously gonna sit a bit different on everyone, of course, as all bags do. However, on me, I really like this length. It's not too long, it's also not too short and too high up. So for me personally, this is kind of the perfect crossbody length. And then if you want to just wear her on one shoulder, it sits here, which is around, how do I describe that? My thigh. She looks great. She looks so bright and shiny. That's how she's sitting on body. I do have an update. I have finished filming the video, but I noticed something I would like to point out. Okay, so here is the back of the bag, and I noticed it has this circular bump, or it almost feels like an air bubble. It is on the side that will be against my body, so nobody's gonna see it, but that's definitely a bit disappointing to find. I don't know if it's gonna smooth out, so right now I'm not sure if I'm going to do anything about it. It's a bit bumpy over here, but I do think that's just where the straps are going in. However, down here, the clasp is all the way up here, so I don't know how that would have imprinted unless it was up against another bag. What do you guys think? Opinions? I'll give it another day or two and see how she's looking. Now I'll go back to the outro of my video, which I already filmed before discovering this. And that is all I have to say about my new little baby. Thank you so much for watching this video and for being a part of my channel. If you would like to subscribe, please feel free, because I would really appreciate it. And if you have any other questions about the bag, or you just want to share what you picked up from the bag security program, feel free to leave that in the comments, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye!